Hello everyone, today we will talk about difference between interface and abstract class in Java. This information is actual for Java version 8 because in this version we got new feature for interfaces. So after this product we can start. So firstly, why got this topic for the video? The main reason for this difference between interface and abstract class is very popular question for a job interview, and if you find work right now, this topic I think very important for you knowledge. So let's begin. What know we about abstract class in Java? It's class who can't have an instance because it's not real class, but it able to have child class. For example, let's write our first abstract class in Java with some method and try to create instance for it in our main class. Let's go. So create some method. And now try to create instance in our main. As you can see, it's impossible because our class is abstract. By the way, we can mark our method as abstract. If we have even one abstract method in a class, the class will be abstract. Let's check it. As we can see, we have two issues. Firstly, our class should be abstract. And second, abstract method can't has any body, so we should delete it. We will return to it a few moments later. Besides, abstract class in Java able to consist empty and non-empty variables, for example like this. As we can see, it's possible. But main difference abstract class in Java in inheritance. Java classes can extend only one abstract class. For example, we can't write here second abstract class and so forth. Only one. But why have we some issues? Do you remember what we able to have an empty method in our abstract class? This is the reason for this issue. If in our abstract class we have some empty method like this, we must to set some implementation for this. Let's cut it. As usually, we can mark this method with help override annotation. It's helpful for reading our code in the future. We can make sure this method is from abstract class. So, in general, we can use abstract class for some general logic for child classes, and if we need, for example, implementation only one part of method, and we can get new implementation in another classes in our project. So, what about the second part of the video? Interfaces. In Java, we can use interfaces as some contract for implementation. For example, we want to create a new class and make sure that this class will consist implementation for necessary method for our business logic. Besides, since Java 8 we can have default method in our interfaces, so let's code our first interface in Java. By the way, interface able to consist only final static fields, like this. And we can't have any non-final static variables or empty variables like this. And now we can use this field in another class. For it we need to implementation our interface in class and just use needed field. It's possible because the field is constant. So let's check it. And as I said before, now we can have non-empty method in interface. This is default method, and it's new feature in Java 8. So let's cut it. But main difference between interface and abstract class, as you know, in inheritance. What does it mean? We can use more than one implementation for our interfaces. Let's check it. And we just can write second interface. And afterward we can write third interface and so forth. So now I hope you're able to explain difference between interface and abstract class in Java. On your display now you can see table with main differences between it. So see you later in another video about Java. Bye.